Today we're into day 3 of the Ipro Innovations conference. Before we begin, I want to go over what's inside this bag. The people at Ipro saw the video that I made for day 1. I'll post a link to that up here. The video for day 2 should be up now. I'll also put a link for that up here, and I'll put one in the description. And as a thank you, they gave me one of these, an Ipro bag by Ogio. I think Ogio makes the best bags for people that have to carry a lot of gear around in terms of like power supplies, computers, tablets, and cables. So really excited to get one of these bags. Now let's look. I think there's something inside here. Another luggage information thing. It's interesting. Ipro branded. And then, whoa, look at that. So we got a tumbler. This is nice. Again, I think it's because they're in Arizona. The water bottle that came with for all the attendees, really nice. This one, really thick. This is really nice. And okay, I think that's all that's in there. Portfolio with Ipro logo on it. So a lot of little things here. You could put in your VGA adapters in there if you needed to, or an extra power brick. Cool. And this opens up. Your legal pad goes inside, and I love these kinds of things for keeping track of all your other cables and chargers and stuff. Ipro, you certainly did not have to give me any of this stuff. Thank you very much for it. It will go to good use for sure. All right, so now I'm running a little bit late. I gotta finish packing up and checking out of this room, and then we're gonna start the day. Breakfast is being served right now. I'm starving. I just went for a run, came back. I got a little bit lost out on the trails out there, so the run was a little bit longer, both distance and time-wise, than I was expecting. So I'm ready for some food, and if I recall correctly, I think there's gonna be some Bloody Marys and mimosas down there, so I wanna hurry up before that ends, but I gotta get packed up and check out.
We're here at Ipro Innovations 2018 17th Annual Conference here in Scottsdale. So I want to hear a loud crowd for the high-performing, outstanding companies represented here today. How's everybody doing?
Man är långt bort, kan kusten skär. Ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii? Men det lindrar i himlens glöd. Men det lindrar i ensam sjöman är långt bort, älskar kusten skär. Ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii?
Alright, that is the end of Ipro Innovations. It was a very good conference. I met a lot of great people, people that I either knew on LinkedIn but never met in person, or people that I had never met before. Either event, very happy to connect with others who are doing similar things as me. So it's kind of easy to get into like a lone wolf mentality in the kind of work that I do. So really great to connect with some others who have some shared experiences.
Ensam sjöman är långt bort, älskar kusten skär. Men det lindrar i himlens glöd.